Don't be shocked. America almost failed before it became a country. Even before having a president, they were already collapsing from the inside. In the 1780s, America had just gained independence, but everything was chaos. States acted on their own. Different currencies, different laws, almost no real army. War debt kept piling up. The economy was dying. People started asking, is this a real country or a failed experiment? Some states wanted to leave. Some even considered going back to Britain. Then an extreme idea appeared, a constitution with a strong central government. Many people rejected it, saying it was just a softer version of a monarchy. But the idea that almost got thrown away ended up saving America. The constitution they once feared became the foundation of a global superpower. America almost failed, not because of its enemies, but because of itself. Subscribe now.